That's the good stuff. And that's an RC track. And this is the Syncro 4. Today we're gonna be running it on the track, see if the improvements I made to it will help it out any. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, got the Syncro 4 out here on the track, going to run it. I changed the oil in the front. We got 30 weight in the front. I meant to put 35 in the rear. I think I'm still waiting for that oil to actually come in, but we did turn up the boost on the ESC. I went from the 13 tooth pinion to the 15, and we turned up the voltage on the steering servo. I do have the tires off of my Typhon, which I might switch out. I'm gonna go one lap, see how it does. If these tires don't grip, then we'll switch it out. But let's give it a run. Ooh. Oh, also I did switch the transmitter and remote. That other one just had too much spring pressure. Plus, you know, it's just a basic ready to run remote. Yeah, I think we should try out the other tires. Ooh, let's try that again. You know, last time I really struggled with this. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I think oh, look at that. I couldn't even come close to that before. Oh yeah, it feels way better. But oh no. Oh, there we go. You dang it. Oh yeah. I think I'm just going to try the other tires to see how this does. I mean, honestly, I really expected out of knobbies these things to be way worse, but they're not. It does still tend to push the front end in the turns though, but oh, look at that. I did not have that control over that big of a jump last time. Remember, I just could not get this to do it. Yeah, let's go ahead and change out the tires, because I'm curious now just to see how it's gonna do. But it's doing surprising so far. I mean, you get it, last time I had a problem, just I had to go like almost full speed just to hit this, and I had so much speed. But now what I can do is just kind of give it some gas on this thing and just get enough power to clear that, hit that. Oh man, yeah. I said I'm not 100% sure how much the punch is affecting it. I probably should have tried one versus the other first, but you know, it's a drive for me to get out here, and I'm pretty sure the pinion gear has a whole lot more to do with it. So there's my Typhon tires. Let's throw these bad boys on. All right, check it out. These are the tires off of a TLR tuned Typhon. See, they're the pin type. Should be good for this. It made the oh yeah, made the Typhon work really good. Oh yeah. Woo, baby. All right, let me get to my spot. All right. See how we're gonna do. Oh man, that is. Yeah, not pushing as much. Oh, why did I hit the brakes? That was dumb. I was thinking it was already on the ground. I was like, oh man, it's so close to the... Oh, wow. Oh. All right, self-recovery mode. Oh, this is my vision still... I don't know, man. I don't know if I need glasses for distance. I know I can't see crap up close. Oh. Oh no. It's still pushing in the front into the turn, so probably need a little diff tuning. Well, I might not mess with it because this really isn't like my race course car. Although it definitely handles this well. Definitely does, man. It's fun. So far, yeah, I'm really happy with the tuning. Thinning out the front shocks. See, I think the back end really could use a... Well, it's not so bouncy on the jumps now, but it's actually landing pretty good. I think before the front end was just a little too bouncy. Ooh, see, the back end still has a bounce to it. So I want to thin out that back. Why did I do that? I just told myself not to do that. And then here I go, do it again. Oh, my back's tired of walking, picking this thing up. So let's try to have a good lap. Oh, come on, I said good lap. Yeah, it's just... Oh, that was nice. Oh, that wasn't so good, but... All right. Yeah, you know, these tires are helping a little bit, but it's not like the answer for this car. So I think we need to do a little diff tuning if I want to keep running it out here, because it's the front end's just pushing into the turns. Whoa! I started going sideways on that. I just backed out of it. Yeah, I'm sure a better driver would had this thing running way better. Oh, look at that! It easily went over at that time. Ah. All right, one more lap. Ooh, I keep forgetting that turn ends up in that jump ends up into a turn. I am getting kind of the feel for the way this thing wants to turn. Kind of like give it like a sharp, but kind of just like here, just give it a sharp and then kind of, yeah, that's not. Come on, jump it. There we go. But see, if you're coming into a turn, I'm trying to show you and I'm messing myself up, but I kind of notice, like, if I give it a quick tap on the steering and then nail the gas, that's when it like really turns good. What's funny is the number one question anytime somebody sees you run an RC, how fast is it? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if this thing could do 50 or 70, because you ain't doing it out here. You know, top speed's great for the street and stuff like that, but in the real world, nah. Oh, what was that? What was that? Jeez. All right, this is probably getting way too long, but going the wrong way. Yeah, man, I'm having fun with it. It's doing great. I would definitely, normally I have a whole toolbox full of speed pinions that I never use, just because normally when you gear up, you start asking a lot out of the motor and the ESC, and you start running into temperature problems. Anyhow, like I was saying, normally I never add the speed pinions because it just adds a lot of strain and stress to the motor and ESC, and you start getting heat. They're great for speed runs, but that's about it. You know, if you want to come out here, you're going to start overheating stuff. But in this case, I really feel like the 13 tooth or the 15 tooth really made a huge difference in this. Come on. Yeah, I am very, very, very happy with this thing now. Like I said, I need to look. See, now it depends. I don't know. I'm not sure how much I'm going to run this car out here. I'm probably just going to use this one elsewhere. I kind of got the Typhon specifically for here. So if I do decide that I'm going to run it out here more, I will get I will tune those diffs. But matter of fact, seeing how now I got the fans on here, let's do a temperature check and then we'll go ahead and wrap this thing up. 136 got 120 right there under the fan. Let's do one more check here. 135. Let's check out the ESC. 108, 94 on the battery. So, yep, that fan is still working. 113, still 130. I wish there was like more heat sink to wrap around the motor and try to dissipate. This fan here just does not really seem to be moving a terrible amount of air. think I might swap this fan out with something else that I got. But anyhow, man, the Syncro4. To me, I would really recommend, even if you're not out here in the track, go to that 15 tooth pinion. It's just, it adds so much, the power to punch out of it. And if you can, turn up the punch, turn up the servo. I mean, I'm really happy with the results. It's your car, you know, you do what you want. I feel like it's a worthwhile thing. Not because it's doing anything extreme. To me, it just really just makes the car feel so much better. All right, I hope you enjoyed watching me run and crash the poor Syncro4 out here at the track. And you'll subscribe and join us for more RC vehicle adventures. Appreciate the support, everyone. Like, shares, comments appreciated. Please subscribe if you haven't. Discount codes for you down below. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.